update 2024.8.9 has got speed cameras on your route. Now, there's a couple of things that are confusing people about this. I've seen a lot of posts on social media about it. So let's just take a quick look. All right, so here I've pulled up the latest update 2024.8.9. Now that has got some minor fixes over the 2024.8, which has got some security improvements. They're just as a result possibly of all the attempted hacking that has gone on at Tesla's behest. Now, this is the one that's confusing people. Speed cameras on your route. So this now includes symbols, and you can see the symbol just there, along your route to show the location of speed cameras. Now, there are a couple of things that you need to have. The first one is it requires premium connectivity. So that in Australia is about $10 a month, and personally I consider it well worth it. Now you also have to have navigation online routing turned on, and I also believe you're supposed to be navigating somewhere for them to show up. So apart from having premium connectivity, and you'll know that by the fact that you've got that sort of map look, and you can turn that on and off by hitting that world button up there. So you've got to have navigation turned on. That is car navigation, automatic navigation turned on. So that is going to give you automatic route to home in the afternoon, to work in the morning, or your next calendar event. When I was doing a little job, I've got my home set, I set work, I'd get in the car in the morning and it would automatically guide me to work, and then when I finished and was coming home, it would automatically go. I didn't have to actually pick I wanted to go home, it knew I wanted to go home. And I also use this next calendar event on entry all the time. I put everything in my calendar on my phone and it goes home. So you've got to have that on, as well as premium connectivity, and I believe you need to be navigating somewhere. Now I've tried this, but I haven't come across any speed cameras in my routes around here. Typical, a few days before I came across a few. So make sure that you've got your automatic navigation turned on, you're paying premium connectivity, and you're actually navigating somewhere, and it should then work. Well, there you go. 2024.8 with your speed cameras. You've got to have premium connectivity, $10 a month give or take. You've got to have the automatic navigation turned on, and you probably need to be actually navigating somewhere. Now I use the navigation system all the time, and hopefully one day it'll actually tell me that there's a speed camera. It doesn't worry me personally because I use the cruise control virtually everywhere. Once I've come out of my driveway, I've only got 50 yards to the end of the road, I turn there and I put it on. So that wouldn't worry me, but some people do want to know where their speed cameras are. So thanks very much. Don't forget, can you do me that big favour? That like and subscribe button below is a very important part of the algorithm. So please, please, please click them. Thanks very much, and I'll see you all very soon.